The next tab is Document Options. Under Page Layout, we can have what's called multiple up. So we can take 2 pages of our PDF and actually print it on one piece of paper, or 4 pages of the PDF on one sheet. Of course, the higher you go, the smaller the print gets. We can also select Booklet Creation. And what this will do, as our graphic here shows you, it will reorganize the pages so that when our document's printed, we can pick it up and fold it in half, and we'll have a little booklet. If your finisher supports folding and stapling, then we can actually do a booklet that is folded or folded and stapled. Okay. And if you want to have a little page border drawn around, you can click on Page Border. But everybody will always be able to do booklet layout because you fold it yourself. Under Special Pages, we can do a Add Covers. So let's say we want to do our front and back covers the same, and we want to actually change our color to green. And we'll say OK. So then within our job, our front page will be now printed on green stock, and the last page will be printed on green stock. We can also do an insert, and an insert is just a blank page. So let's say we're going to insert after a page 3, and we're going to specify our paper, and again we're going to pick another color. We're going to say red because this is going to be the beginning of an important chapter. Okay, so now we've got our front cover green, page 3 is going to be a blank sheet that's red, and the back sheet, the last sheet, will be green as well. We can also do a exception. So let's say we're going to do page 7 as an exception, and we're going to again pick a different color. We'll say yellow this time, and we'll say OK. So page 7 will now be printed on yellow paper. The difference between an insert and exception is shown in the graphic. So for the exception, we can see it will print on that sheet. For an insert, as we look at the icon, it's blank, so nothing prints on that. And that's Special Pages. Under Watermark, we can add a watermark. So if we are doing something that is confidential, then as we can see by the thumbnail here, we'll have the word confidential across every page. Or we can have it just on the first page. And there's other settings there you can play with, the font and the text, etc. And orientation. Normally the application will set this for you, but if you need to come here and change it, we can select landscape or even rotate a landscape if you want.